Okay, we are in the new Stick and Burger. After they closed for a few months for renovation. Looks better, I must say. The menu gets its new look as well. Let's see what they have. Fresh oyster, prawn salad, and other sorts of cold appetizers. Also hot appetizer, mussels, and over the other side we have some beef fillet as well. Scallops down here. Mushroom soup, oyster soup, and on the other side pasta. The selection has been updated apparently, and so are the prices. I think prices are up, so we gotta pay for the renovation. A crispy pork, I think this is new. I'm gonna have this one tonight for damn sure. I think they have much more than just stick and burgers now. A lot is added to it. Many of them were not in the old menu, I think, if I'm not mistaken. If my memory is right. Not all, but most, I would say. Spring chicken was there before. This French duck confit wasn't there, from memory. I must try the confit next time, which I haven't had for a long time. Here comes their flagship items. Australian Angus beef rib eye for 468 yuan, not cheap. And over here some dry aged beef. This is too far for me. Well, close to 1,003. Okay, but it's for 1 kilogram. And last but not least, the burger. This gold beef burger for a whopping 258 yuan. A bit too much. Oh, raclette cheese. I'll persuade my daughter to take this. A vegan option as well, made of tofu or plant-based stuff. Teriyaki, foie gras, quite a good selection indeed. Even Thai-style tiger prawn, usual BBQ. The dessert menu stays the same, I think, which I remember was just ordinary. Well, this big burger challenge is still here. You're welcome to take the challenge and get your meal for free if you can finish the monster in 15 minutes. And now they add a sandwich to it. Not so much for my aged digestive system, but you guys can try it. Okay, let's see what we have for ourselves tonight. We got this raclette cheeseburger to start with. The cheese was baked and dropped out in front of you. Well, the fries that comes with it are fresh and crunchy. Not bad at all. The burger is awesome. It tastes so delicious. The meat done in medium is so fresh and juicy. The onion is marinated to give such beautiful taste. is really gorgeous. If I have anything to ask for more, I would have liked the raclette cheese to be a little burned. I always like it to be a little burned and soft. I've been having it that way when I was living in Switzerland before. The pieces is also a little rubbery, I would say. I mean the cheese. But it's still not too bad overall for a burger. I'm basically happy with it. And I would recommend it. And this crispy pork, which comes with Brussels sprout and I think a few pieces of figs, looks better than it tastes, I think. The skin is a little tough and hard. You can't break it with your fork and knife. It's even too tough for the teeth. My teeth, at least. Well, the meat below the skin is okay. It's tender. It's got a good balance between fat and the lean meat. The problem is really the skin, I would say. I would have hoped the skin could be more, crunchy to the bite. Like those Cantonese roast pork, if you know, which you can hear the cracking and the popping sound when you bite on it. Yep, it's something to hope for still. The new look of this place, I must say, is much, much better than before. You can see the big mirror, the light color on the wall. I think the raised ceiling as well. And they removed the chairs with tall back. The whole place just feels much more spacious, airy, brighter. It used to be dark and gloomy. Good job to the designer. Okay, the bill comes to 246 yuan for a not too bad meal. Ciao, talk to you again.